Alright, quick one for you today. I'm going to show you how you never have to pay for digital printed analogs ever again. Super easy process. We're going to turn this into a model. Let me edit this real quick. That's going to cause printer malfunctions. I always get rid of excess data, especially if you're printing your own models. Alright, let's go into the model. I guess I should start from the beginning. Let's see, model alignment. Let's go ahead and align it. It got it, do that. And we are printing, we're not using digital analogs, so we can get away with this. I always do with extra dies, so it's a solid model with an extra die. Okay. Toggle that, model analogs. Okay. And it's playlist model design. We're going to proceed because we don't care, because we're not using the analog, because normally it would just cut this off and then the analog would be hanging out below. So this is the screen right here, preconditioned. We're going to click once, click twice, abutment die. And now instead of having a model analog and then you put your custom abutment into the analog, obviously this will create the die for the abutment versus having to pay another 30, 40, 50 bucks for an analog. So this could save you a significant amount of money, and I highly recommend doing it. So as you can see, now as soon as this calculates, now I have a die instead of having to use an analog. Please hit that like button. I'll send you some more quick hidden tips. It helps save you guys some money. Have a good day.